a journey through time on Muskoka's iconic steamship. Step aboard iconic Muskoka Steamship, a journey through time on Canada's most scenic waters. Imagine cruising through shimmering lakes, surrounded by lush green forests and quaint cottages, as a historic steamship carries you back in time to an era of elegance and charm. Welcome to Muskoka, Ontario, where history meets the serenity of Canada's most breathtaking waters. Today, we're stepping aboard the iconic Muskoka Steamship for a journey that's as much about the past as it is about the beauty of the present. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or just someone searching for a one-of-a-kind adventure, this is a trip you won't want to miss. Stay with us till the end to discover what makes this journey so unforgettable. Nestled in the heart of Ontario's cottage country, Muskoka has long been celebrated as one of Canada's top travel destinations. Known for its crystal-clear lakes, lush landscapes, and luxurious getaways, Muskoka offers an escape into nature with a touch of sophistication. But there's one experience that stands out among the rest: a cruise aboard the historic Muskoka Steamship. The steamships are more than just vessels. They're a piece of Canadian history. These beautifully preserved ships have been sailing Muskoka's waters for over a century, offering passengers a glimpse into the golden age of travel. Today, we'll explore what makes these steamships so special and why a cruise on them is a must for anyone visiting Muskoka. The Muskoka steamships date back to the late 19th century, a time when travel by water was the primary means of exploring Canada's interior. Steamships like the RMS Seguin and Winona-Sissindt became the lifeblood of the region, connecting communities, transporting goods, and serving as floating retreats for tourists seeking the beauty of the Canadian wilderness. The RMS Seguin. This is the oldest operating steamship in North America, a true relic of history that has been lovingly restored. The Winona too, a modern vessel inspired by the design of its historical counterparts, blending classic aesthetics with modern comforts. Each steamship offers a unique experience, from leisurely sightseeing cruises to gourmet dinner events. Scenic beauty. The Muskoka region is a feast for the eyes. As you glide across the tranquil waters, you'll be surrounded by breathtaking views of dense forests, rugged shorelines, and charming lakeside cottages. Each season paints Muskoka in a different palette, from vibrant greens in the summer to fiery reds and oranges in the fall. A step back in time. Boarding a Muskoka steamship feels like stepping into another era. The polished wood interiors, brass fixtures, and the gentle chug of the steam engine create an atmosphere that's both nostalgic and magical. 3. Unique events and cruises. From themed excursions to fine dining under the stars, the Muskoka steamships offer a variety of experiences tailored to different interests. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply enjoying a relaxing day on the water, there's something for everyone. Once you step aboard the Muskoka steamship, you're greeted by friendly staff dressed in period uniforms, setting the tone for the journey ahead. The ship's interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with gleaming woodwork, elegant fixtures, and panoramic windows, offering unobstructed views of the surrounding scenery. As the steamship pulls away from the dock, the hum of the engine and the gentle lapping of the water create a soothing soundtrack. The fresh lake breeze carries the scent of pine and wildflowers, instantly relaxing you. Lake Muskoka's hidden gems. The steamship navigates through Lake Muskoka, passing by iconic landmarks like Millionaire's Row, a stretch of grand cottages owned by some of Canada's wealthiest families. The ship's captain shares fascinating stories about the area's history, adding depth to the scenery. 2. Wildlife. Spotting Keep an eye out for wildlife. From soaring eagles to curious otters, Muskoka's lakes are teeming with life. The ship's open decks provide the perfect vantage point for spotting these natural wonders. 3. On board. Amenities. The Muskoka steamships are equipped with everything you need for a comfortable journey. Enjoy light refreshments at the onboard cafe or browse the gift shop for unique souvenirs. A cruise on the Muskoka steamship isn't just a sightseeing tour, it's an emotional experience. The gentle rhythm of the ship, the pristine beauty of the surroundings, and the rich history combine to create moments of pure tranquility and wonder. For many, this journey becomes a cherished memory, a chance to reconnect with nature and appreciate the simplicity of life on the water. *** book. Early, the Muskoka Steamship cruises are incredibly popular, especially during peak season. Reserve your spot well in advance. Dress comfortably. While the ship offers indoor seating, you'll want to spend time on the open decks to fully enjoy the scenery. Bring layers to stay comfortable. Bring a camera. The views are picture perfect, so don't forget to capture the memories. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or someone who simply loves unique experiences, the Muskoka Steamship offers something special. It's more than just a cruise. It's a journey through time, a celebration of Canada's natural beauty, and a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Have you ever cruised on a historic steamship or visited Muskoka? Let us know your favorite travel memories in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your next adventure is just a click away.